Peora Jewelry Reviews. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're buying jewelry online, most people get this wrong by assuming all pieces have the same value. The surprising truth is that Peora Jewelry offers a range of fine and fashion jewelry with prices reflecting metal type, gemstone quality, and craftsmanship. Basic fashion rings or necklaces start at, while pieces with precious metals or gemstones can range from 2 or more. Free shipping is common on orders above a set threshold, and occasional promotions or seasonal discounts can reduce costs by 10%, 25%. What you get: high-quality jewelry, detailed product descriptions, secure online shopping, and warranty or return options. What you give up: higher prices for premium designs and occasional longer shipping times for custom pieces. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare similar designs to find the best price. Step 2. Check gemstone certifications for quality. Step 3. Look for seasonal promotions. Step 4. Verify return policies before purchasing. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore ring sizing or chain length. You could end up with an ill-fitting piece. The surprising truth is that Peora's pricing reflects a combination of quality, craftsmanship, and brand reliability. In conclusion, Peora Jewelry balances style, quality, and price. By understanding metal type, gemstone value, and sizing, you can confidently purchase jewelry that offers true value for your money.